Let's get wet with weather. Understanding relative humidity. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to talk about a very important aspect of the weather: relative humidity. It's a phrase we often hear in weather reports, and it's crucial for understanding the climate and the weather around us. Don't worry, we'll break it down in easy English so you can confidently use this term in your conversations. So, what exactly is relative humidity? Relative humidity is a way to describe how much water vapor is in the air compared to the maximum amount the air could hold at the same temperature. In simple terms, it's a measure of the wetness, or dryness, of the air. When we say the relative humidity is 100%, it means the air is holding all the moisture it can at the current temperature, and we often get rain or snow. On the other hand, when the relative humidity is low, like 20% or 30%, the air is quite dry. But why is relative humidity important? Well, it affects many aspects of our lives. For instance, high relative humidity can make hot days feel even hotter, because the excess moisture in the air can make it difficult for our bodies to cool down. This is often referred to as the heat index. On the other hand, low relative humidity can make the air feel cooler than it actually is. Plus, it can cause skin dryness and irritate our eyes. So, knowing about relative humidity can help us understand and deal with the weather better. Now let's look at how we can use relative humidity in our everyday conversations. For example, you can say, "The relative humidity is really high today. I'm sweating so much." Or, "I think the relative humidity is low. My skin feels so dry." And that wraps up our chat about relative humidity. I hope this has helped you understand what relative humidity is, why it's important, and how to use it in your English conversations. Remember, understanding the weather is a great way to start conversations with others. So next time you talk about the weather, try using your new phrase, relative humidity. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of English language. Until next time.